When you step out onto the firing line, few handgun cartridges command as much raw respect and legendary authority as the iconic .44 Magnum. It is the definitive crossover caliber, built from the ground up to handle everything from thick-skinned big game and dense timber to critical self-defense against apex predators in the deep backcountry. As we look at the firearms market in 2026, manufacturers have pushed the boundaries of gun engineering to absolute perfection, delivering everything from featherweight scandium carry options to massive single-action hunting towers. Today, we are breaking down the definitive countdown of the top 5 best .44 Magnum revolvers that offer the ultimate balance of structural durability, hair-splitting accuracy, and life-saving reliability. We will deep dive into the frame geometries, the metallurgy, and the terminal ballistics of these big-bore platforms. And our number one selection is an over-engineered single-action tank that turns traditional revolver design completely on its head. Before we swing open the cylinders and break down the technical specifications, make sure you are locked into the channel so you never miss our deep dives into weapon systems and ballistics. Let us get straight into the countdown. Number 5. Smith & Wesson Model 69. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Smith & Wesson Model 69. Commandingly positioned with a manufacturer-suggested retail price of $1,039 in 2026. This weapon system represents an ambitious engineering feat, breaking historical manufacturing tradition by housing the powerful .44 Magnum cartridge inside a medium-sized L-frame chassis rather than a massive N-frame. Meticulously machined from premium stainless steel with a sleek satin finish, it features a unique two-piece 4.25-inch barrel configuration designed to optimize internal harmonic consistency and ensure excellent downrange precision, while maintaining an empty weight of 37.4 ounces. From an ergonomic standpoint, the reduced physical footprint of the L-frame design provides a massive boost to field mobility and deep woods portability, making it an incredibly practical choice for extended belt carry. To keep the stout recoil impulse under control during high-volume practice sessions, the grip frame is wrapped in a specialized Hogue synthetic rubber grip featuring deep, contoured finger grooves and an aggressive texture that stabilizes your hold in damp or dusty conditions. The frame balances beautifully across the palm, allowing defensive-minded shooters to draw, drive, and track moving targets without suffering from front-heavy muzzle fatigue. The internal mechanics operate on a glass-smooth single-action and double-action hammer system, utilizing a heavy-duty ball, detent locking mechanism positioned directly on the crane to guarantee precise cylinder alignment and absolute lockup rigidity under heavy pressure. Firing in double-action mode presents a smooth, stacking, free 10-pound pull, while manually cocking the hammer drops the trigger press down to a hair. Thin, crisp 3.5 pounds with zero detectable creep. Aiming is driven by a high-visibility red ramp front blade married to a fully adjustable rear notch sight, making it effortless for a shooter to dial in their point of impact for different bullet weights and distance lines. Verdict: the Smith & Wesson Model 69 is a magnificent modern achievement, delivering undeniable big-bore stopping power in a tightly packaged, easily carried frame that serves as the perfect trail companion for outdoor exploration. Number 4. Ruger Super Blackhawk. Taking the 4th spot on our list is a legendary monument of traditional American horsepower, the Ruger New Model Super Blackhawk, carrying a retail price point of approximately $1,099. Built like an absolute bank vault from high-grade satin stainless steel, this heavy-duty single-action revolver is engineered explicitly to swallow high-pressure hunting loads and heavy hard-cast cartridges without showing a single sign of structural stress. The foundation of its superb field accuracy is a premium, cold hammer-forged barrel available in versatile lengths, ranging from a compact 4.62 inches to a massive 10.5 inches, ensuring maximum bullet velocity and uniform rifling stabilization. The ergonomics are beautifully defined by a classic, Western-style plow handle grip assembly that allows the heavy frame to roll naturally upward in the palm during ignition, a clever mechanical property that deflects the harsh directional sting away from your wrist. Shooters can opt for beautifully polished hardwood grip panels or cushioned rubber variants, providing a hand-filling, secure interface that builds immense confidence when running hot centerfire rounds on the line. Its iconic, unfluted steel cylinder adds substantial dead weight right at the center of the weapon, which stabilizes your point of aim and cuts down on radical muzzle rise. Mechanically, the Super Blackhawk operates via a traditional single-action only mechanism featuring Ruger's patented transfer bar safety system, which allows the operator to safely carry all 6 chambers completely loaded without any risk of an accidental drop discharge. The heavy hammer cocks back with a series of highly satisfying, crisp metallic clicks, setting an incredibly short single-action trigger press that breaks clean, like an icicle at a featherweight 3 pounds. For target acquisition, it utilizes a rugged ramp-style front sight married to a fully adjustable click-stop rear housing, giving handgun hunters the extreme mechanical control needed to place precise shots at extended hunting ranges. Verdict: the Ruger Super Blackhawk remains an immortal time-tested tool that perfectly bridges vintage frontier heritage with unbreakable modern metallurgy, making it an essential asset for serious big-game handgun hunters. Number 3. Taurus Raging Hunter securing the middle spot. At number 3 is a visually aggressive masterpiece of modern predator defense, the Taurus Raging Hunter, retailing at a highly competitive market price of approximately $909 in 2026. This large frame beast features an innovative hybrid barrel design, combining a rigid steel inner liner with a lightweight, multifaceted aluminum outer barrel shroud to perfectly balance overall weight against long-term durability. The heavy-duty 6-shot cylinder is paired with an expertly engineered ported barrel configuration that vents expanding high-pressure gases upward to actively combat muzzle climb and soften the physical punch of hot .44 Magnum loads. Human engineering is highlighted by an integrated full-length Picatinny rail machined directly into the top of the aluminum shroud, giving outdoorsmen the immediate flexibility to mount heavy-duty red dot sights or long eye relief hunting glass without buying extra mounts. To insulate the shooter's hand from intense kinetic shock, the frame is wrapped in a specialized soft rubber grip insert featuring a distinctive red cushioned backstrap that compresses under pressure to absorb rearward energy. This smart weight management allows the large frame weapon to sit comfortably at a natural point of aim, making it incredibly stable for precision benchcrest shooting or tracking targets through dense, low-light timber. The mechanical architecture utilizes an ultra-safe dual lock-up cylinder design, requiring the operator to actuate thumb latches at both the rear and the crane of the cylinder to swing it open, ensuring a completely solid chamber alignment under intense chamber pressures. The fire control group cycles flawlessly through both single-action and double-action firing modes, providing a heavy but highly predictable double-action pull for fast emergency deployment and a crisp 5-pound single-action brake for calculated distance shots. It also arrives with an adjustable rear notch and interchangeable front blades, letting you fine-tune your iron sight picture before adjusting your primary optic setup. Verdict: the Taurus Raging Hunter is a highly adaptable, forward-thinking hunting platform that delivers award-winning aesthetics, optics, ready modularity, and excellent recoil dampening at a price that sets the pace for the industry. Number 2. Smith & Wesson 320. 9PD claiming the runner. Up position is a groundbreaking marvel of aerospace. Grade materials: the Smith & Wesson 320 9PD, commanding a premium retail price point of $1,399. This large end-frame revolver completely turned the firearms world on its head by utilizing an ultra-strong featherweight scandium alloy frame, combined with a titanium alloy cylinder, bringing the total empty weight down to an astonishing 25.5 ounces. The core specifications feature a 4-inch stainless steel barrel sleeve, housed inside a protective alloy shroud, creating an elite emergency backup gun designed specifically for extreme backcountry survival. From an ergonomic standpoint, the 329 PD is custom, tailored for maximum portability, vanishing completely inside a chest harness or hip holster without weighing down backpackers or mountain hikers who watch every ounce of gear weight. To help operators manage the exceptionally violent, snappy recoil impulse of a featherweight .44 Magnum, the factory package includes both a classic, high-grade wooden grip set for traditional aesthetics and an energy-absorbing black synthetic rubber grip wrapper. The light physical frame allows you to carry 6 rounds of full-power Magnum energy on your person all day long, ensuring a comforting, non-intrusive defensive presence when traveling deep into known bear country. The action is a classic single-action and double-action hammer system that features a specialized stainless steel blast shield mounted right at the frame top strap to protect the scandium framework from hot-cutting gases exiting the cylinder gap during ignition. The cylinder release latch glides smoothly on the left side of the frame, clearing the cylinder quickly for fast reloads, while a high-visibility fiber optic front sight captures ambient light to deliver a blazing fast sight picture against dark targets. Firing manually in single-action mode rewards the user with a match-grade zero-creep trigger brake that releases with absolute crispness at just over 3 pounds, providing extreme precision when every shot counts. Verdict: the Smith & Wesson 329 PD is the ultimate marriage of lightweight metallurgy and raw defensive force, offering deep woods adventurers a lightweight piece of lifesaver hardware that delivers maximum big-bore protection on trail hikes. Number 1. Magnum Research Big Frame Revolver, topping our list at the prestigious number 1 position, is an absolute titan of heavy metal precision. The Magnum Research Big Frame Revolver, universally known as the BFR, retailing at a suggested price of $1,574 in 2026. Entirely manufactured in the United States from premium, brushed stainless steel, this legendary single-action handgun is built from the ground up as a massive Magnum platform, rather than a scaled-up standard model frame. It features an ultra-premium cut-rifled cold hammer, forged barrel available in a robust 7.5-inch or 10-inch configuration, ensuring unparalleled projectile stabilization and true rifle-tier accuracy at extreme distance lines. The ergonomics are defined by an oversized flat-top long frame assembly, integrated with an extended Bisley-style rubber grip module that gives the shooter's fingers full structural contact to anchor the weapon under heavy fire. Weighing in at a substantial 4 to 5 pounds depending on the barrel length, the immense physical mass of the all-stainless construction acts as a massive natural brake against directional recoil energy, transforming the punishing slap of the .44 Magnum into a remarkably smooth, slow-rolling push. This superior balance minimizes muzzle climb and wrist fatigue, making the BFR surprisingly comfortable and deeply satisfying to run through high-volume, long-range target sequences. Mechanically, the BFR features a hyper-precise single-action lockup system modeled after the ultimate strength parameters of custom target guns, utilizing a perfectly fitted cylinder that spins with tight tolerances to prevent any alignment play. The single-action trigger mechanism is hand-tuned at the factory to deliver a breathtakingly smooth, crisp release that breaks cleanly between 4 and 5 pounds, with absolutely zero creep or over-travel. It arrives equipped with a ramped front sight blade and a fully adjustable target-grade rear notch, alongside a pre-machined top frame ready to accept heavy-duty scope rings for turning this handgun into a true 1,000-yard hunter. Verdict: the Magnum Research BFR claims the crown because it represents the absolute peak of large-bore mechanical craftsmanship, delivering unmatched structural safety, laser-like precision, and bulletproof durability that completely dominates the hunting world. Looking back across the incredible engineering landscapes of these 5 top-tier wheel guns, it is entirely clear that the .44 Magnum caliber continues to define the absolute limits of handgun authority. Whether you look at the lightweight portability of a scandium frame Smith & Wesson trail companion, the ported innovation of a Taurus Predator setup, or the indestructible custom-grade precision of a stainless steel Magnum Research Tower, these platforms deliver real-world security you can stake your life on. Which of these hard-hitting .44 Magnum wheel guns are you planning to put inside your gun safe next? Be sure to drop your personal thoughts and field choices in the comment section down below. If you found this technical review and ballistic breakdown valuable, show some love by hitting that like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming deep dives into elite weapon systems. Train hard, stay safe, and we will see you on the firing line next time.